Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we're going to draw a silverfish using our freehand drawing technique. First of all, we're going to draw a balloon shape drawing to initialize the process. We start from the top, so it looks like a balloon. Here is the tail of shellfish. Tail got an extension and we put it up to here. Then again we go back to the top, we put the eye here and we draw the nose like this. Interesting. Another eye is here. We need little bit detailing to complete the face so that we can understand that this is a sailfish. Then we can draw a line again here and we'll bring the line here. That's our target. So we need another detailing here, and now we can merge the line. I think this is almost done. We can put some shades on to give it a 3D effect and make the things more interesting. The more detailing we do, the better the drawing becomes. If we can put the shades very effectively, it makes the drawing a pleasing one. It's like the shellfish is getting alive and ready to jump. Below it, we can put the water. Also, we can put little shades here. As you know, this video is quite interesting and you guys like the video. So please like, share and subscribe and tell it about your friends and keep visiting our site. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.